Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Practice English Daily. I'm your host, Jessica.
And I'm Eric. Hello, listeners. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Today, we have a very special episode. We are going to talk about something you do every single day. We are talking about small talk and daily conversations.
That's right. Small talk is conversational English. It is the language you use when you meet a friend, when you see a coworker, or when you are waiting for the bus.
Exactly. Many students learn grammar in school. They learn big words. But when they speak to a real person, they feel stuck. They don't know how to sound natural.
They might sound a little too formal, like a textbook.
Yes, we want you to sound friendly. We want you to sound relaxed.
So today, we will teach you greetings, how to keep a conversation going, and even how to say goodbye politely.
By the end of this episode, you will have the tools to chat with anyone in English. Are you ready, Eric?
I am ready. Let's get started.
Okay, let's start at the very beginning. Greetings. Eric, if I see you in the street, what is a formal way to say hello?
A formal way? I might say, "Hello, Jessica. How do you do?"
Exactly. How do you do? Now, listeners, this is correct grammar. But honestly, we rarely use it in daily life. It sounds very stiff.
It sounds like I am meeting the Queen.
Right. So let's learn the friendly way, the natural way. Here are 3 common greetings you can use. Listen closely.
Number 1. Hi, how's it going?
Number 2, good morning, or just morning.
Number 3. How are things?
Let's practice those. Eric, I see you at the coffee shop. Hi, Eric. How's it going?
Hey, Jessica. How are things?
See, that was fast and easy. How's it going connects the words. It sounds like, how's it going? Try to say it smoothly.
How's it going?
Perfect. Now, imagine someone asks you, how are you? Eric, what is the answer most students learn in school?
Every student knows this one. They say, I am fine, thank you. And you?
The I am fine trap. Listeners, please listen to me carefully. I am fine, thank you is not wrong, but it stops the conversation. It sounds like a robot.
Beep boop. I am fine, thank you.
Exactly. We want to sound human. So let's replace that phrase. Here are 3 better options.
Option 1. I'm good, thanks.
Option 2. Not bad.
Option 3. Pretty good. How about you?
Notice the difference? Pretty good sounds relaxed. And adding, how about you, throws the ball back to the other person.
Let's try a dialogue. Jessica, you start.
Hey, Eric, how are you doing?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Not bad, just busy.
See? That took 5 seconds and it felt warm and friendly.
Okay, we have said hello. Now we need to start a real topic. You cannot just stand there in silence.
Silence is awkward. You need conversation starters.
The easiest way to start is to talk about what is around you. We call this context. Let's look at 4 categories.
Category 1, the weather.
Everyone loves talking about the weather. It is safe, it is easy. You can say, it's so hot today, isn't it?
Or, if it is raining, can you believe this rain?
Category 2, daily activities.
This is good for coworkers. You can ask, busy day today?
Or simply, working hard.
Category 3, school or work.
You can ask, did you finish that report? Or, how was the meeting?
Category 4, the environment.
This means talking about the place you are in right now. Maybe you are in a cafe.
You could say, this place is really crowded today.
Or, that coffee smells great.
Let's act this out. Jessica, we are standing at a bus stop. It is very cold.
Okay. Brr, it is freezing today.
Yeah, I know. I should have brought a warmer jacket.
Me too. I hope the bus comes soon.
Fingers crossed.
That was a perfect small talk starter using the weather.
So, we have started talking. But Jessica, how do we keep the conversation alive?
Great question. The secret is open questions.
What is the difference between a closed question and an open question?
A closed question has a yes or no answer. For example, do you like music?
I answer yes, and then the conversation dies.
Right, but an open question asks for more information. It usually starts with what, where, who, or how.
So instead of, do you like music, I should ask, what kind of music do you listen to?
Exactly. Now I have to give you a real answer. I might say, I love jazz and pop.
Let's try another one. Instead of, did you see the movie? Ask,
What did you think of that new movie?
here is one more. Instead of, is your job good? Ask,
How is your new job going?
I see. Open questions invite a story. Closed questions stop the story.
Now we are moving to part 2. We are going deeper. We will learn conversation skills. These are the tricks native speakers use to flow.
When someone is telling you a story, you cannot just be silent. You need to show you are listening.
We call these reaction phrases. They are short words that show emotion.
If the news is surprising, you say, really? Or, no way.
If the news is interesting, you say, that's interesting, or, oh wow.
If the news is bad, you say, oh no, or that's too bad.
Let's demonstrate. Eric, tell me a simple sentence about your weekend.
I went to the beach, but it started raining.
Oh no, that's too bad.
Yeah, but then I found a great restaurant nearby.
Oh really? That's nice.
And guess what? I saw a famous actor there.
No way, who was it?
See, listeners? Jessica used 3 different reactions. It made me want to keep talking.
Reaction phrases are great, but to be a conversation master, you need follow-up questions.
This is like a tennis match. I hit the ball to you, and you hit it back.
Exactly. If I say, I went to the cinema, don't just say, okay, ask more.
Here are some good follow-up questions. How was it? Who did you go with? Was it crowded?
Let's try a dialogue. Eric, you start.
I finally tried that new burger place yesterday.
Oh wow, how was it?
It was delicious, but a bit expensive.
Really? Who did you go with?
Just my brother.
You see, how was it and who did you go with kept the conversation moving forward.
Sometimes you want to show that you have the same experience. You want to agree. The most common phrase is, me too.
Me too is perfect, but let's learn 2 more to sound more natural. Number 1, same here.
Number 2, I know, right?
I know, right?
I know, right? Is used when you agree strongly with an opinion. Let's practice. Jessica, give me an opinion.
I am so tired of this cold weather.
Same here. It's been freezing all week.
I just want to stay in bed and watch TV.
Me too.
But we have to work.
I know, right? It's tough.
Those little phrases build a connection. They make the other person feel understood.
Okay, Jessica, what if the conversation stops? Or what if I want to talk about something else?
You need to change the topic smoothly. You cannot just jump to a new subject randomly. That is confusing.
We use bridge phrases.
Here are 3 easy bridges. Phrase 1, by the way.
Phrase 2, speaking of that.
Phrase 3, actually.
How do we use these?
Use by the way when you want to change to a totally new topic. For example, this pizza is good. By the way, did you finish your project?
Use speaking of that when the new topic is connected to the old one. For example, I love this song. Speaking of music, are you going to the concert on Friday?
Use actually when you remember something important. For example, it is getting late. Actually, I need to leave soon.
These phrases alert the listener that a change is coming.
Before we move on, let's talk about how you sound. We talked about robot English earlier.
Yes, to avoid sounding like a robot, you should use contractions.
Instead of I am, say I'm. Instead of it is, say it's. Instead of do not, say don't.
Also, use softeners. These are words like kind of or a bit.
If you say it is cold, it is very direct. If you say it's a bit cold, it sounds softer and more conversational.
If you say I am hungry, it is direct. If you say I'm kinda hungry, it sounds natural.
Let's hear the difference. Formal, I am tired. It is cold. Natural, I'm a bit tired. It's kinda cold out here.
The natural version flows much better.
Now, this is an important skill. What if you don't agree?
In some cultures, saying no is okay. But in English, saying no, you are wrong is very rude.
Very rude. We need to disagree politely. We usually validate the other person first, then we say our opinion.
Here are 3 phrases to do that. Phrase 1, I see what you mean, but.
Phrase 2, I think a little differently.
Phrase 3, I get your point, however.
Let's practice. Eric, tell me you think football is the best sport.
Football is definitely the best sport in the world.
I see what you mean, but I actually prefer basketball.
That was very polite. You didn't say I was wrong. You just shared your preference.
Exactly. You can also say, I get your point, but football is a bit slow for me.
That works too. It keeps the atmosphere friendly.
We have greeted, talked, reacted, and disagreed. Now it is time to go.
Ending a conversation can be hard. You don't want to just walk away.
You need a pre-closing. This signals that you are about to leave.
A great word for this is anyway.
Yes, you say, anyway, I should get going.
Or anyway, I need to get back to work.
After the pre-closing, you say a final goodbye. Good talking to you.
See you around.
Let's put it together in a dialogue. We are talking, but I need to leave.
Yeah, that movie was amazing.
I bet. Anyway, Jessica, I should get going. My bus is coming.
Oh, no problem. It was good talking to you.
You too. See you around.
Simple and polite. Anyway is the magic key to unlock the door and leave.
Okay, listeners, we have learned so much today. Now, Eric and I will do a full natural conversation.
We will use everything. Greetings, small talk, reactions, changing topics, and a polite ending.
The situation, we are co-workers meeting in the office kitchen while getting coffee. Listen carefully. Morning, Eric.
Hey, Jessica, how's it going?
Pretty good, thanks. Just waking up. How about you?
I'm good. A bit tired, though. The traffic was crazy this morning.
Oh, really? Was there an accident?
No, just lots of cars. It took me an hour to get here.
No way. That is a long time.
I know, right? Anyway, speaking of work, did you see the email from the boss?
Actually, I haven't checked my email yet. Is it important?
Kind of. He wants a meeting at 2 p.m.
Ah, I see. Thanks for telling me. Anyway, I should get back to my desk.
Sure thing. Good talking to you.
You too. See you later. That was a great example, Eric. Did you hear how natural that sounded?
Yes, it wasn't perfect robot English. It was relaxed.
Let's do a quick summary of what we learned today.
First, greetings. Don't just say hello. Say, hi, how's it going? Or how are things?
Second, responses. Avoid I am fine. Try I'm good, thanks, or not bad.
Third, starting conversations. Use the weather, your environment, or work. It's cold today, or busy day.
Fourth, reactions. Show you are listening. Say, really? No way, or that's interesting.
Fifth, follow-up questions. Keep the ball moving. Ask how was it, or who did you go with?
Sixth, changing topics. Use bridges like, by the way, or speaking of that.
And finally, endings. Use anyway, I should going to leave politely.
And don't forget the tone. Use contractions like I'm and softeners like kind of. Thank you so much for listening to today's episode of Practice English Daily. We hope you feel more confident about small talk now.
Remember, the only way to improve is to practice. Try to use one of these phrases today. Ask a coworker, how's it going? Or tell a friend, I'm kind of tired.
Small steps make a big difference. Don't worry about making mistakes. Just speak.
We will be back soon with another lesson.
Until then, keep practicing and have a wonderful day.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.